Today, we're diving into an incredible story of resilience, innovation, and sheer staying power. Imagine a company that started over a century ago as a simple repair shop, yet grew to global dominance, quietly outbuilding and outselling some of the biggest names in the power tool industry, like DeWalt and Milwaukee. We're talking about Makita. How did a small Japanese electric motor repair shop, founded in 1915, evolve into a manufacturing giant with a footprint on nearly every job site around the world? Get ready, because we're counting down the top factors that allowed Makita to build an empire that stands strong, 110 years in the making. Coming in at number 5 on our list of Makita's defining strengths is its foundational spark, the unexpected beginnings as a repair shop. Picture this, it's 1915, in Nagoya, Japan. Mozaburo Makita establishes Makita Electric Works, not to build tools, but to repair and sell lighting equipment, motors, and transformers. This might seem like a humble start, but it gave them an intimate understanding of electrical components, motors, and the stresses they endure. This direct experience with diagnosing and fixing failures became ingrained in Makita's DNA, shaping their future philosophy of robust design. This hands-on experience as a repair shop provided an invaluable feedback loop. They weren't just theoretical engineers, they saw firsthand what broke, why it broke, and how it could be made better. This practical knowledge base became a critical advantage, informing every design choice as they transitioned from repairs to manufacturing. It instilled a core principle: build things to last. Many companies start with innovation, but Makita started with problem-solving at its most fundamental level, understanding the true meaning of durability before even designing their first tool. This approach set the stage for their future successes. The year 1958 marked a pivotal moment when Makita unveiled its very first original power tool, an electric planer. Now, for those unfamiliar, a planer is a tool used in woodworking to remove material from the surface of a board, making it smooth and uniform. Before electric planers, this was a laborious manual task. Makita's electric planer was a game-changer for carpenters, offering unprecedented speed and precision. This bold step from repairing to manufacturing demonstrated their ambition and their deep understanding of professional tradesmen's needs. It wasn't just a tool, it was the right tool at the right time. Unlike some competitors who might have chased the DIY market early on, Makita immediately aimed its innovative electric planer at professional users. This strategic focus on tradespeople, carpenters, builders, and artisans, meant their tools had to meet the highest standards of performance, reliability, and durability. Pros demand tools that work day in and day out under harsh conditions, and Makita was committed to delivering just that. This early commitment solidified their reputation and customer base, setting a trajectory for growth driven by the needs of those who depend on their tools for their livelihood. Our number 4 factor in Makita's extraordinary success is its truly global manufacturing presence and strategic reach. While many companies focus on their domestic market, Makita quickly understood the power of international expansion. Starting with exporting to Australia in 1961, they rapidly established subsidiaries and manufacturing facilities worldwide. This wasn't just about selling tools abroad, it was about building tools in those regions, adapting to local needs, and creating robust supply chains that could withstand global pressures. This decentralized approach allowed for immense agility and scale. Makita wasn't content with just a single overseas office. They meticulously built a network of manufacturing plants across the globe, including significant operations in Brazil, Canada, the United States, the United Kingdom, China, Romania, and Mexico, among others. Think about the strategic advantage this provides: closer proximity to raw materials, reduced shipping costs, faster delivery times to regional markets, and the ability to tailor products to specific geographic demands, like voltage differences or climate considerations. This vast network meant Makita could literally outbuild competitors by producing closer to their customers. Maintaining consistent quality across so many diverse manufacturing locations is a monumental task, but Makita mastered it. They implemented stringent quality control processes and shared engineering expertise across their global facilities. This wasn't just about making tools, it was about making Makita quality tools, no matter where they were produced. This unwavering commitment to a universal standard of excellence helped solidify their reputation. It means a professional in London can expect the same reliable performance from their Makita tool as one in Los Angeles, fostering deep trust in the brand. Beyond just where they build, it's also what they build. Makita's extensive product catalog goes far beyond basic drills and saws. They've diversified into a comprehensive range of tools for woodworking, metalworking, construction, landscaping, and even specialized industrial applications. This breadth of offering means a single professional can equip their entire workshop or job site with Makita tools, often leveraging the same battery system. This holistic approach makes Makita an indispensable partner for many businesses, contributing significantly to their market dominance. At number 3, we find arguably Makita's most impactful contribution to modern power tools, their pioneering role in the cordless revolution and subsequent battery system dominance. For decades, power tools were tethered by cords, limiting mobility and posing tripping hazards. Makita, understanding the need for freedom on the job site, invested heavily in battery technology. This wasn't just about making a battery, it was about creating a system that offered power, longevity, and interchangeability. This foresight positioned them at the forefront of a massive industry shift. The game-changer arrived in 2005 with the introduction of Makita's LXT18V lithium-ion battery system. Lithium-ion, or Li-ion, batteries are much lighter, more powerful, and hold a charge longer than older nickel-cadmium or nickel-metal hydride batteries. Makita didn't just offer a single battery, they launched an entire ecosystem where one 18V LXT battery could power over 300 different tools. This concept of a universal battery platform was revolutionary, saving professionals money and simplifying their workflow. It became an industry standard that competitors scrambled to match. To complement their advanced battery systems, Makita also championed the adoption of brushless motors. A traditional motor uses carbon brushes to transfer electrical current to the spinning rotor, creating friction and heat. A brushless motor replaces these brushes with electronic controls, offering several key advantages: increased efficiency, meaning longer run times per charge, greater power in a more compact size, and significantly longer tool life because there are no brushes to wear out. This innovation provided a critical edge, making cordless tools even more viable for heavy-duty applications. Makita didn't rest on its LXT laurels. Recognizing the demand for even higher power in cordless tools, capable of replacing corded gas-powered equipment, they introduced the 40V Max XGT system. This new platform is engineered for extreme demands, delivering significantly more power and runtime for the most demanding applications, without sacrificing portability. It represents their continuous drive to innovate and push the boundaries of cordless performance, ensuring professionals can tackle any task without being tethered, further cementing their leadership in the cordless tool space. Sliding into number 2 is Makita's incredible ability to build a comprehensive job site ecosystem, always keeping the end user, the professional, at the center of their design philosophy. This isn't just about selling individual tools, it's about providing an integrated solution for every stage of a project. From foundational work to finishing touches, and even site cleanup, Makita aims to have a high-quality, compatible tool. This holistic approach ensures efficiency, minimizes downtime, and builds fierce brand loyalty among professionals who rely on their tools daily. Makita's user-centric design goes beyond just function, it deeply considers ergonomics and durability. Ergonomics, the science of designing equipment to maximize productivity by reducing operator fatigue and discomfort, is paramount for tools used all day. Makita tools are known for their comfortable grips, balanced weight, and intuitive controls. Coupled with their legendary durability, robust housings, impact-resistant materials, and protection against dust and moisture, Makita tools are built to survive the harsh realities of a job site, reducing repair costs and increasing uptime for professionals. A great tool is only as good as the support behind it. Makita understands this and has built a comprehensive network of service centers and authorized dealers globally. This means professionals have access to parts, repairs, and expert advice, minimizing any potential downtime. When a tool breaks on a job site, time is money. Makita's commitment to after-sales support ensures that their users can get back to work quickly, reinforcing the trust and loyalty that are essential for long-term professional relationships. This complete package of product and service sets them apart. Finally, the number one factor that truly sets Makita apart and allowed it to outbuild its competition for over a century: unrivaled reliability and longevity. Makita tools have earned a reputation as workhorses, tough, dependable, and built to last. This isn't just marketing hype, it's a testament to their repair shop origins, rigorous engineering, quality materials, and meticulous manufacturing processes. Professionals invest in Makita not just for performance, but for the assurance that their tools will withstand daily abuse and perform consistently for years, representing true long-term value. For a professional, tool longevity directly translates to cost savings. Buying a cheaper tool that breaks after a year might seem like a good deal initially, but the constant need for replacements or repairs quickly adds up. Makita's focus on durability means a higher upfront investment often pays for itself many times over in reduced maintenance, replacement costs, and lost work time. This long-term value proposition is what keeps professionals coming back, generation after generation, understanding that quality craftsmanship is not just a feature, but an investment in their livelihood. Looking ahead, Makita continues to invest heavily in research and development, constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible in power tool technology. Their commitment to innovation, from new battery systems like XGT to advanced smart tool features and even robotics, ensures they remain a formidable force. By staying true to their core values of quality, reliability, and user-focused design, Makita is not just celebrating 110 years of history, they are actively building the future of the power tool industry, proving that sometimes, the repair shop that started it all really does outbuild everyone.